Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an insect with big, beautiful wings. Any guesses? This insect starts off as a caterpillar and then creates a cocoon to release itself as that's right, a butterfly. Let's draw one together. Okay, let's draw a butterfly. We're going to start in the middle of the page. We can draw a dot, but around this dot we're going to draw a carrot-like shape. So it's smaller at the bottom and thicker at the top, and connect that line together. That's our butterfly body. And on each side we're going to draw two lovely big wings. So we're going to go out like this, bring it around and back in, almost like a love heart shape. I'm going to do the same for the bottom wing, in between this gap here. We're going to do it slightly smaller, like that. And I'm going to repeat that same shape on the other side. So a big heart-like shape, and then a smaller heart-like shape, just like that. Now in each of these wings, I'm going to draw that same heart-like shape, but slightly smaller. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Now we've got the wings to our butterfly. We're going to just draw 2 little antennae like that. And that's it. My butterfly is ready. You can colour your butterfly any colour because they come in all sorts of beautiful colours, but I'm going to go with pinks and purples today. And there we go. There we have our coloured in butterfly. What pattern did you draw on your butterfly wings? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos, and head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of subjects, and share your creations with a community of like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.